to a spot where I can't find parts that I need. Looking on LMC, there was one choice for Stepside filler neck tubes and all that hardware. They don't show apart the filler neck for the Stepside, so I'm going to try to reuse this. And from what I understand, you can't find these parts, this part here. And then there's two styles of the Stepside. There's two styles. There's the door filler neck, and then there's just a neck on the outside. It's like an old fleetside box. So that would make two different filler necks for a Stepside anyway. So I'm going to try to reuse this. I think I looked at it. It looks like I just need to shorten it up. And the hose for it doesn't look like it's even close to lining up. Matter of fact, it almost looks like a right hand. But going this way, they'll come right off the tank and come up and just about run into this. So I'm hoping, and I have heard that you use this hose. Nobody ever really said how, but I think I can put it on backwards, trim it down, use this neck, trim down, and get everything to line up. I'll try to figure it out. I'll show you what I did. Changed my mind on just cutting that off. I'm going to cut it and spin it around and re-weld it on, and that'll give me a better angle. So from going like that, get more angle. And I could even take a little bit more out. Maybe I will. There, it's got a whole different angle now. That was coming way up. So I should be able to slip that in there and stick that hose on there. Well, I'll have to cut that hose. I wound up cutting this much off of the smaller return vent tube here. And then after all that welding and everything I did there, I ended up cutting that off the bottom. And then I cut this much off the hose. I had 8 inches of hose that I used all the way down and up. And then I had to re-drill with this piece that I had off of the Fleetside. I had to re-drill 3 holes to make that fit. Oh, and trim off part of that round. There's a bulge right here. Anyhow, it's in there, it works, it's decent. I didn't have to buy a new piece or try to find one. I don't know if I could, for sure. It might have been an eBay or wrecking yard find. So anyhow, I got that all buttoned up.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.